up, friends? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kaye Lanhi, also known as Kaye, and we're kicking off another videos, y'all. Another video. If this is your first time here, hey, hello, how are you? What have you been up to? So glad that you stopped through, and I hope that you stay, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with everyone you know, and I do mean everyone. For all my returning subscribers, bring it on in, baby. So, y'all, we are back with another episode. I think it's episode 3 of Several Ways to Wear It. If you're unfamiliar with what that is, let me break it down to you so it can forever be broke. Several Ways to Wear It is a series that I came up with to showcase one item, and I wear it several ways, anywhere from 3 to 4 ways. So far with these 2 episodes here, it's been 3 ways. So we're not gonna make this any different. We're gonna style this up 3 ways. So I don't even much want to hold you, because you know why you're here now. Everybody is on the same page. Now today, you know I always got a story to tell. Oh yeah, y'all. And an episode would not be complete without an assistant, and it's just some red wine. Some red wine that I just did. It was some red wine that was gifted to me, but it was a little bit too dry for me. So I stuck a little grenadine in it just so I could drink it. Because y'all know I'm a Lambrusco girl. And that's like the Riesling of red wine. But that's not what this is about. Hold on though. All right, guys. So we all be scrolling down the whole social media. Always seem to see little ads from different stores. So when I seen this one, now y'all, I used to shop with them like years ago, and now, baby, these caught my attention. So the store that I am talking about is Dazzle. No, this video is not sponsored, but baby, when I tell you, they deserve a second look. They do. They deserve a second look, and I'm about to explain to you why. As I was scrolling, y'all, you know, it's boot season. Or right at boot season, or close to boot season, however you want to call it. Wear a boot. It's fall, at least in a couple of days. I found, baby, these are so amazing. These are Luther Vandross, so amazing, baby. Look, 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 look. Oh God, can you see this? It is a green denim. Yes, it goes over the knee. Yes, she has a name. And these are MJB, baby. And if you don't know what MJB stands for, what rock have you been under, baby? Mary J. Blige. You're all I need to get by. But I'm in love with these. I almost love with these boots, but I think that was frowned upon. I mean, how I was gonna explain that if Ernest walked in the house and I'm laid up with a pair of boots? Yeah, that ain't. But I love these, y'all. What I really love about these, because you know I'm always review, so you don't have to. So what I really love about these is that, get into this heel. This heel may look high for someone that doesn't wear heels. Truth of the matter is, y'all might see me in some heels, but I don't wear heels like I used to. Like I used to be stiletto, pumps in the club, but I don't do that no more. I like a good, comfortable heel, and this, it gives the illusion that it may be high, but it's not, y'all. They also come in wide caps. So if you like, Kay, I almost had it, but that zipper, baby, don't you fret. They got wide calves too, sis. I'm the one with the skinny calves, but they got wide calves. I got you covered. Y'all, look at this boob. Oh my God. The slouchiness of it all. So these are the star of tonight's episode of Several Ways to Wear. Girl, I almost want to hold her like a baby. Oh baby, these are so cute. I was so happy when they got here, and I've been waiting. I'm gonna show you why, y'all. So even though this is focused on the boots, I did get some items in. Some of the things that I'm gonna style with I already had, and some of the things are new. So it's like a stiff drink with a splash of like sheen. Yeah, this first look, I had these brown pants that I've been having for like years, that I got from Shein. They were actually too small, but now they can fit. Hallelujah. And so but that's back when the trend of the whole scrunchie at the bottom was up. So I knew I would never wear them like that again. So luckily, the boots are high enough where it covers up this scrunchy part. So I put these on and I paired it with this. Now, this is a skirt. So yes, I wore a pair of pants and a skirt. And I topped it off. With yours truly. It's a lot to take in at one time. So go ahead and let that sit for a minute and let's get into this look. So y'all see how I brought it together? Y'all see how I brought it together with the pants and the shirt? It's like the shirt, that skirt that I turned into a shirt is like for your bloated days. You know how you still want to feel sexy and let them have it, but your stomach is saying no. Like, no, we just had a burrito. So, no, you can eat whatever you want to and be comfortable and really rock this outfit. Now, if it get a little chilly, because you know in the fall time, it get a little cool at night, you can throw on that jacket and still serve. It's simple and I love it. I love it. You know what I really love about these MJBs? It gives Ernest's wife. It does. It's like, if I walk in the room, oh, where's Ernest's wife? The one with the green boots on. The one with the badass boots on. That's Ernest's wife right over there with the blonde hair. Ain't she cute? All right, y'all. Let's get into this next look. So this next look was inspired by yours truly. I was just looking through my dressing room, which is a mess, by the way. But that's not what this is about. And I found the jumpsuit that I wore on the cruise. And I was like, oh, I forgot I had this. Because I got so much stuff. So I put that on. And I layered it with the No Limit Soldier. I thought I told you. Crop jacket. And with the boots. And this is how we came out. I know y'all see it. Young jock, baby. I know y'all see it. I know y'all see it. I put a little belt. I'm realizing that I have a long torso. So some things, if I try to wear a crop, like with a jumpsuit, it's like, what in the SpongeBob? So I try to break it up now with a belt. So you could say, okay, she do got a shave. She not square. So y'all, tell me what y'all think about these two looks downstairs. Now, the No Limit Soldier look and the all over the place look. Y'all tell me what y'all think about it down there while we get into the showstopper, the grand finale. What we all been waiting for. All right, y'all. This last look, I love it. It's my absolute favorite. Now, it's my absolute favorite. Now, you may not feel the same way, but I'm going to try to bring you in. Give me your hand. I'm going to try to pull you in. Because that's what I do. You know, because like I told you, I do not consider myself a fashion girl. I say it all the time. I stick by that. It is what it is. I like what I like, and I bring it to the platform hoping you like it too. There's it. I don't want the pressure of being a fashion girl. I don't. I don't want that title. I don't. I just like what I like. So with that being said, when I show you this, it's going to make you clutch your pearls. Okay? It came from Shein, and it was about $3. I know. Just follow the bounce the ball. So, it's this one piece. I know, you're probably saying, what in the long johns do we have here? But again, give me your hand. Let me bring you in. It's boob friendly. Let's start there. Yes, it ain't no kind of, it's see-through. So I would definitely say wear shapewear under this. What size did I get in this? I got my size a large. And so what I did, was I paired it, because this is what I wanted from Shein, and everything else just kind of fell in the cart. So I paired it with this cropped army green denim jacket. Are you starting to get the vibe now? Wait for it. And my little mama bag. The mama bag, baby. The mama bag. I was wondering when I was going to wear this. And when I put that outfit together, it all came together. Y'all look how it look. Look. Y'all looking? Y'all, this is my favorite look. This is definitely Ernest's wife. Being fast on a Friday. So y'all tell me what y'all think about all the looks down there. It's 1, 2, and 3. 3 is definitely my favorite. I hope you enjoyed our third episode of several ways to wear it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.
Girl, don't mean no disrespect.